begun stripping it, getting the wings off, splitter off. Gonna just get the rest of the front end off and start working from the front back. This is the worst side. Everything's got surface corrosion all over it. A little bit more than surface corrosion here. Let's see how those seals are under this fiberglass once they're off. See the turbo a bit better. I've taken the intake pipe off. Looks like that was a bit of a tight fit. This side, not quite so bad. Doesn't look quite so bad. I've got some S14, I think, 4 pots there, or there might be 300 ZX. Pretty much the same thing anyway. This side's not quite so bad. It's alright. Seal looks quite good under there. Don't look too bad. There's that intercooler. Splitters off. Held on with a load of filler. Gonna need trimming up. I'm not going to filler it back on. I'm going to use a proper seal when that goes back on. I'm not going to blend things in. They're going to be as they should be. Yeah, it's been a little bit longer on my update because I had to put a roof on the garage so that this car wouldn't rot like the Evo did. And this is the other. Took that bonnet off. That's the original bonnet. You can see it's got like a Astra GSI vent and a Silvia Engineering bonnet vent, which I'm going to try and take off and blend onto this red one. Let's see see how it is. They sort of cut down, fold it up for before they blend it on. But it's all shite at the moment. Stand that up. My old Evo bonnet. Inside, not much different. I already put my little JDM gear knob, which was in my original Silvia, Lotus flowers. Got some pod gauges up here. One's boost, although it only goes up to 30 psi, which is no good because you're not going to be able to tell if it overboosts, because 30 psi is actually what it is meant to be running. So I'm going to have to change that boost gauge. There's no point it always sitting on maximum. Oil pressure gauge. Yeah, as you can see, because of the different gearbox it's got, oh, it's been cut back. There's a longer gearbox on this S14 gearbox, or so I'm told, but I will double check. It's definitely longer. There we go. As I say, I'm going to start doing the front, working from the front to the back on this. Alright, so we just got these fiberglass seals which are bonded to the outer ones off of the driver's side. It's not very healthy under there. Fair bit of rot's just fallen out. Let's get under there and show you. passenger side. Again, I thought it was going to be better, but only marginally. The front is, oh, it's just, I think the whole outer seal needs doing. I mean, the inner needs flush patches. Look at that. Yeah. She's seen better days. Anyway, I just ripped them off because they're going. Rear arches I'm not too fussed about. Front arches, again, were gone. But well, at least I got my money's worth in scrap. Yeah, weigh that in. And I'll be getting a wide body GP kit. It's going to be the easiest way to do this. And some new doors. Yeah, there's just going to be chassis repairs next. I have to go out, buy myself a welder. Righto, time to have a sweep up.